Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube yellow dollar problem. So let's get started. Let's look at what the yellow dollar actually means. So the yellow dollar means that when you upload a video, it doesn't meet all the advertiser friendly content guidelines, and that means that there will be limited or no ads played on those particular videos, and you will earn less or no revenue from those videos. Now, where does this yellow dollar sign usually appears? When you upload a video, for example, this is your latest video, and you have a green sign usually when there is a problem, and you don't meet any of the content guidelines. Then this green dollar sign will turn into a yellow one, and that would mean that you can your content isn't compatible with the content guidelines, and you will there will be less ads played on this particular video. Now, once you see the yellow sign over there under the restrictions column, here you would see a restriction saying an ad suitability. Now let's look at the different types of restrictions. There's a copyright restriction, there could be terms and policies, age related restrictions, ad suitability. So this is usually the one when you see a yellow dollar sign. Now what this means is when you see this ad suitability restriction over here, when you hover over to that, it shows you a small description saying that this is causing limited or no ads on this video, and it gives you an option to review. So you can actually send your video if you think that this has happened by mistake and your content is fine. You can request a review. Now you can only review you can only send the video for review once, so make sure you review your content before sending it for a review to make sure everything is as per the content guidelines. Now here the best practices for creating advertiser friendly content. Now YouTube tells you that they look at all the aspects of your content, which means your video content itself, the title, thumbnail, description, and the tags. And if there is a problem in any of these, like if you violated any of the content advertiser friendly content guidelines, then that means that your video won't you would still see a yellow dollar sign, and you won't be able to monetize that particular video to a full potential. Now, to avoid this, best thing to do in my opinion, or the way I do it, is to when you upload a new video, always upload it as unlisted and keep it that way for at least an hour or so. Usually they would recommend 24 to 48 hours, but I would say even at least an hour would be fine. And then you can check if the monetization status changes to yellow during that time, and then you can actually fix things with your content and then make it public. So you know before making it public, you know that your content is fine now, so you're not really losing any revenue on that particular video. So these are the things. Other than that, make sure to check here. If we go to this tab here it tells you all the reasons why your video might not be advertiser friendly. If you're using an inappropriate language, there's a violence, adult content. So all of this, if you can go through these and make sure before sending your video for a human review, make sure that your video is advertiser friendly and it's compliant with all of these, and there's nothing of this sort appeared within your video. So that's all you need to do. Just make sure you go through everything in your video and your titles, tags, description before sending it for a review. Now what happened few weeks ago when I uploaded this particular video about Microsoft Office, straight away after uploading I got a yellow dollar sign over here. And what I did, I reviewed everything. I checked my video, tags, title, description, and I found that there wasn't anything wrong with any part of the content. So after reviewing everything, I sent it for a human review without making any changes to the video, and then I got this. They actually they changed the yellow dollar sign back to the green one within, I would say, 45 hours. It was changed to green one, and then I got an email from YouTube as well after, I would say, around 10 hours after sending it for a review. So this is how long it takes usually, but in order to avoid all of this, you can use the best practices of uploading it as unlisted to start with, and then once you think that it is fine, then you can make it public. And other than that, if once now another solution, what if your video, you send it for a review and it still doesn't get monetized, they don't change your yellow dollar sign back to green? In that case, what you can do is, if you don't really want to lose all the content, if you think that only part of that content is not right, in that case what you can do is you can simply delete that video from YouTube and then re-edit the video, and then you can re-upload it with the new title, tags and description, and that way you can give it another try, and most likely it will be monetized if you fix the problems which were there in the first place. So that's all for today's video. Hope you've enjoyed the video today, and it has been helpful for you. If you have any specific queries, or if you want to know anything in particular, then let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to help. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.